Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel, and today is an unboxing. Baz is behind the camera.
Hello!
So if you hear any little commentaries, that's where it's coming from. So, I got this from Costco. Baz put it in the trolley. I wasn't actually going to get it, but he put it in.
You're welcome.
So this is the bumper pack, so you can get other ones that just have a little few extras, but this has got quite a lot of extras.
Apparently it's the ultimate smart cutting machine.
Yeah. With 10 times more cutting power, it handles fabrics, leather and balsa wood with effortless precision. Okay, so in the pack you do get... Okay, so with this one, you get the premium fine point blade, you get the rotary blade, and you get the fine point pen. These are ones you can get separately. Like that, yeah. This is not going to be a professional unboxing. And
by any means.
Also in this one, you get, I'm going to have to read it, you can look that side, right. So in this one, you get the fine debossing tip with quick swap housing, 2 times everyday iron-on mini sampler packs, premium vinyl value pack. Did that make sense? I'm just reading it off the box. Deluxe paper, pen set, true control knife, machine cutting mats, and a tool set. So, okay, so let's get unboxing of this little, well, not so little box.
The big gem.
Okay.
You can tell by the size of the box to Tina how big
It is big
the box
and it's heavy.
Actually is. Luckily, I used the carry handle.
I was just showing how big it was. And heavy. Okay. So inside you have your deluxe paper, which is called Walk in the Park. I'll flick it like that because actually I'll open it for you. Okay, so this is the sort of paper you're gonna get. So that one. Then we have, what's this one? Premium vinyl, removable. These are quite thick packs as well. So there you go, all your different vinyls. Oh, you've got your colours on there. Then you get this little box, and inside it says materials for your first project. Just pop that there, and it says there, open me first. So get started in 4 steps. So there's your steps. You can take a look at that. Pop that back. And then they've got them in like every other language going. That's what all the other cards are. And you've got your warranty. And then that is your rotary blade. Don't know if it's focusing in, but hey. And then under there you have the cap for the blade, and you have a pen. Let's see what sort it is. It says 0.4 tip black.
So that's your fine point.
Yeah. And that is for if you want to link it to like your laptop if you're not wanting to do it wireless. a wire.
Bluetooth.
Yeah, you can do it Bluetooth. And then this one has on it materials for your first project. I'll open it this way. When you set this up, it shows you how to do your little first project. So you have like a bit of card, material, and another bit of card. So I'll play with that later. It is well packed. So there you have your everyday iron-on vinyl. They're quite cute little packs.
Not orange though.
No, pumpkins. So you have your True Control knife. Then you have basic tool set. And on the back it tells you what they're for and what they're called.
What them things with the funny handles?
Scissors.
No way.
Total. Then you have a pen set. And then this is your fine debossing tool. And the other, is it the fine cutter?
Yeah, it's a fine knife blade in it.
Apparently that's in the machine. And then you have two mats. So one's got a light grip, one's got a fabric grip. So apparently you need these depending on what material you're going to cut. If it's card, leather, cotton, denim. Those are your mats. Like I said, I've never used one of these before, so this is my
First attempt.
first go. Power cable.
Yeah. And the beast. Right.
That's your power cable. So what's that cable?
We shall find out.
Yeah, so you got two
Two
cables.
cables.
That has to be a power cable because it's got
Yeah, it's got your transformer box on and everything.
Oh, I know, because that's the American one, I take it, and that's the English plug.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if you look there, it's got the fastener.
Yeah.
So that's
yeah.
good.
So it comes with the American and British plugs.
Well, it's like a shaver plug, isn't it? And then here we've got more mats. Variety pack mats. Oh, 3 mats, there we go. Oh, that's good. So altogether you get, what, 5 mats?
Yeah.
So I'll go through it again. Just make sure I've got everything out of the box. So this is just a quick recap of what you get as the extras in the bumper pack. So obviously you get your power cables, your USB cable and all that stuffs. But yes, you get your vinyls, paper, 5 different mats, tool set, True Control knife, everyday iron-on vinyl, your debossing tip. You also get your fine point tip, but that's in the machine. You get another pen and you get a cap for your tool. So that's pretty impressive. I bet there's quite a lot of money worth there.
Well, just in your vinyl you've got a fair bit of cash in that.
Yeah. So on there you have your spatula, your weeder, your scraper, your scissors and your tweezers. So let's unwrap the machine and see what happens. So this is the machine itself. So let's unwrap it. Everything's got these little circuit stickers on, which is pretty cute. This is really heavy. Oh no, it's wrapped as well. It's well wrapped. Oh. So you have your little storage pots there. You have that's pretty cool, isn't it? Put that there. This little tray on the top here is for an iPad, if you want to put that in, or a tablet. I have an iPad somewhere lying around. Probably not charged either, never blooming is. So I'll take those out. So yeah, so there's your other blade right there. And then under here you have this nifty little storage tray, which is cool. I like that idea. I like it a lot. So you have your power button. Told you it's not very professional unboxing. Pause button, feeder button, and a go button.
A go button.
Yeah. Your circuit button, that means go. So yeah, so this prints, oh well, not prints, it's supposed to cut absolutely anything pretty much. You can do engraving on it, you do your vinyl cutting, your material cutting. So I'm really excited on what we can achieve with this. And it's a nice little size as well, so hopefully I'll be able to
store it
find
away pretty easy as well.
And you can get bags to put these in, so if you're going to take it somewhere, you can put it in a bag, and then you just clip that on there and shut there. So let's see if you open that, it goes on. Every time you open that, it opens. I like that.
That's cool.
Yeah.
So are we going to get it set up and show what it can do? Yes,
we'll plug the power cable in, and I might hook it up to the laptop rather than the iPad.
Yeah.
Because there'll be no power in it, the iPad, so I might as well just cut that bit out and just go straight to the laptop. Right then.
But it is compatible with PC, laptop, Mac, smartphones.
Yeah, Android, iPhones, iPads, Bluetooth, Windows, and a Mac. So pretty much anything you should be able to. But I actually blame a woman for this, right? Because we were only looking at this at Costco, and along comes this nice little woman. Oh, they're really good, them. And she pretty much talked us into it, didn't she? But she said you don't get as many, did she say, patterns on the iPads. She says you're best using your laptop. So I don't know if that's true. I'm just going to have to look into it. So, yeah, we'll get this plugged up. Plugged in.
Yeah, plugged in.
We'll get this plugged in and then see what happens.
So it is.
Yeah. See you in a minute. So, I have set the account up, but on here it says to go to cricut.com/setup. When I did that, it kept coming up like threat detected, blah blah blah, and I really struggled to get onto that. So in the end, I went to, what was it, Baz?
You go to design.cricut.com/setup.
Yeah, and then it just set me up really easy. Just put your name in, email, password. You can join for, is it £7.49 a month to open up more templates and stuff, but at the minute I'm just going to have a play. So as you can see here, we've got let's test a cut. So I'm going to select an image. I think I might do the flower. Then next. So place small cardstock on the top left corner of the mat. So as you can see there, it says, will it focus?
Strong grip.
Yeah. There we go. So the corner, it has strong grip for that one. That one, can you see it? That's a standard grip. I've also got a material mat as well, and there it says light grip. So I will get my cardstock from there. Stick it down. Press next. Confirm the blade is set in place, clamp B. So take it, that is clamp B. As you can see, it is. Oh yeah, it's got the A, B. Push mat up under the guide towards the rollers. Oh, I see. So you've got that one and you've got one at the other side. So you do that. Press that. Oh, there you go. And then you press the go-go button. This is cutting in progress. So that's complete. Next, press the unload button. And that is your first test. That's pretty cool. So there you go. That's the first thing that's been cut. That's cool. I like it. So there we are. That is the first go on the Cricut Maker. So I will do more vlogs on this once I get used to it and I've used it a few more times. But that is just like the general setup and your tester. So there we go. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope it was of any use to you, because it was the unprofessional unboxing.
Yeah.
So please give it a thumbs up or a like if you enjoyed it. If you didn't, sorry. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, because we do all sorts. So
check out our playlists.
Yeah. And we will see you in the next vlog.
Take care out there, guys.
Bye.